from Luton Airport.
Good morning. We're off on a new adventure today.
Where are we going?
We're going to a very cold place, as you can tell by our attire. Meg got me this for Christmas, and we're going to Iceland.
And this is our first time going abroad in over a month, which since we started this, we've not had a month at home.
No, you're right.
But we've had over a month at home, so we are so excited for this.
We're very ready for it.
Fist bump.
Boom.
Because we've been working.
We've been working.
We have arrived in Iceland!
Well, hello everybody.
And we've got a rental car. The first car where Rhys is our driver.
Yeah.
The first time where he's on the other side.
I'm on the other side of the road with a manual car, so my gear stick is on my right, which is...
Like, we do manual anyway. I know in America people don't do manual, like we do manual at home, but it's difficult with the other hand. But it's good for Rhys because he's ambidextrous.
Tiny bit. Not fully. But where's the heated seats in this thing?
Is it
I'm
meant to have
absolutely
heated seats?
boiled.
Is it meant to have heated seats?
Oh, here it is.
So we are actually not. You'll probably think we're staying in like Reykjavik or something. We're not. We're staying in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. So yesterday there was a major storm in Iceland, and literally all the. Sorry, I'm just holding Bonchella. All the roads. Well, I say all the roads. There's like one road.
Bumped into my car.
There's one road in Iceland, and it was shut yesterday. So today they were like, if you're going on a long journey, make sure you stock up with food and water. So we've got a bottle of water and a packet of crisps for this 3-hour journey. So hopefully we're gonna find somewhere to stop off on the way and we can get lunch and everything.
Yeah.
But by the way, if you're wondering why I'm holding Bonchella, my wisdom tooth is growing into my cheek. And it is so painful, and I put some Bonjela on this morning and it really helped, and it's starting to wear off. So
oh no.
Let's go on this drive. Are you excited, Rhys?
I am.
I was just making eye contact with this woman whilst I put the Bonjela on.
I'm sure she enjoyed it.
Well, she didn't look away. What are your first impressions of Iceland?
Stunning.
Like, and eggy.
Very sulphury at the minute.
But beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Let's go.
Let's rock and roll.
Do you see that the Iceland supermarket? So everyone that's been mocking me being like, bring me back a prawn roll. Yeah, I actually can, because they do actually have the Iceland supermarket here. Sorry, I've just destroyed the music. Oh, you switched it off for the camera, got it. We've just passed Reykjavik, and why? You're probably like, why have you passed Reykjavik? Why, Rhys?
Because we're not staying in Reykjavik, everyone. We're staying in the north in a dome.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are.
And what's our sole goal?
To enjoy life? No, to see the northern lights.
Yeah. So that's why we're away from the city. I booked this for Rhys's Christmas present.
I don't know which one we're doing, Meg.
Oh,
41, isn't it? I'm going right.
Yeah, right, sorry. I meant to be the navigator. Yeah, I booked this for Rhys's Christmas present, and I thought if we stayed out of a city, the sky would be clearer for the northern lights, so that's what we're here for. But don't worry, because if you're like, you're missing out on the Blue Lagoon and Reykjavik and the Sky Lagoon, all of that, we are coming back. We are, because I got it for Rhys's Christmas present, and Rhys also got it for me, so we're coming back in November.
Yeah, we are.
And that's when we'll explore more of like the touristy bits, but for now, we are here for one thing and one thing only, and that is the lights. There's an IKEA. We have just stopped off at a mall to go get some food and some lunch. Are you excited?
Some food and some lunch.
Yeah, Yeah, food for the
Crisps.
Airbnb and
Oh,
lunch
okay.
now. Did you just say crisps?
Groceries.
Oh.
So we're in the mall at the minute. We're trying to find a supermarket and also some lunch.
But it's very nice, and they got a sauce on green, and I love sauce on green.
And a flying tiger.
We've got lunch in the mall. I've got like a garlic pesto chicken salad, and Rhys has.
A conglomeration of lots of salad things.
Looks nice though.
It does look nice. Does it taste nice?
Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling, let me help you. We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else. Let's help ourselves, leave our troubles upon the shelf. Don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise. All the sidewalks and the highways, they will turn into dust as Mother Nature covers over every street we pave. Can lead the way for somebody else to help themselves, leave their troubles upon the shelf. So don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise. Leave it all for somebody else to help themselves, leave their troubles upon the shelf. And don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise.
We are on our final road. So we've been on 3 roads actually. So we were on the ring road, then we went off on. No, was it?
We
it
were
was,
on the 49, which is from the airport to Reykjavik. Then we were on
Yeah.
the 1, which is the ring road.
Ring road.
And now we're on the 722.
Yeah, and this road hasn't been cleared as much as the other roads. But look how beautiful. That's a lake. That's a frozen lake, by the way. And the skies are looking clear, which is promising.
Oh, a bit cloudy.
Oh, okay. That's really sad. How are you feeling?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
It's going to be nice to relax in a dome and freeze.
I'm so sad. I've been looking this whole journey at the clear skies, and now where we're heading is cloudy. But I say if it's cloudy tomorrow, no, if it's really cloudy tonight, maybe tomorrow we should like go somewhere else to look for them.
In the evening.
Just a suggestion. There's our dome. Do you see it in the trees? How exciting! We are here! Yay!
exciting. Look at the road. I mean, it's like,
Oh wow, that is thick snow. Nice. There's our door. Oh, I think we can park right by it. And our car survived the journey.
Come on.
We have arrived at the Airbnb. Look at it. This is the entranceway, and look, it's got a balcony. This room is cold. Hopefully inside is a little bit warmer.
I don't think so.
Oh wow, this is so much nicer than I expected.
Oh, it's warm as well.
Can we let in the light?
Let in the light.
Oh wow. Okay, so we've got this area. This is like our living area, and this is a spare bed. And then this way, I think, is our bedroom. Yes. Oh whoa.
Oh,
Oh.
it's so
There's a
cool.
light on. And then through here, this is our bedroom, which is just so amazing, so cool.
Is it our bedroom? I think this is.
Oh, is this
the spare bedroom?
Oh, okay. And then through here is a cute little shower room. Look at the little porthole thing.
Oh, I love a porthole.
And then I guess this is their storage. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I didn't know we had an upstairs. But it looks
A
like we
spiral
have-
staircase.
Oh. Ooh. Okay,
Let's
we
go.
have a spiral staircase.
Oh, that was your bum. Sorry.
Oh wow, there's a bed up here. This is such a cute little room. This is so cute. And then that looks out onto, I don't know how to open this. Oh, okay.
You just push.
That looks out onto, I'm scared. It doesn't feel the most secure.
Okay.
It looks out onto
The balcony.
the balcony from before. It's so nice. And then we also have a kitchen, so we'll show you.
What's that one? The bathroom as well.
No, this is all shut. These are locked.
Gotcha.
I think if there wasn't snow on the roof, you could probably be able to see the northern lights from that upstairs bed. Because there's snow on the glass roof. you
I
can't
think
see.
we'll sleep downstairs.
Yeah, I think so. Is this anything? Oh, this is another entrance
To the back.
to the back garden, I guess.
Yeah.
And another little loo.
Perfect.
Cute. And then it is time for the kitchen.
It's nice and warm in here.
This is so nice. Oh, the kitchen is so nicer than I
It's
expected.
lovely.
It looked nice on the Airbnb, but it's a lot nicer. Lovely.
Very nice.
Look at this little seating area. And is this another loo or
Storage.
storage?
Oh, it's out of focus.
Oh. So look, this Airbnb is so cute. Rhys, tell them if you like it. It's your Christmas present. Let them know.
This is incredible. I don't even know if we're going to see the Northern Lights, but already it is worth it just for where we are. I mean, it is stunning. We're right between a frozen lake and two mountains. Just look at it. Look at the view.
Hopefully where that clear sky is. That's our best bet. I'm so excited. We're currently getting ready because we're going to go for a walk and see if we can spot any northern lights. If we don't spot any, we're coming back later in the year, so we'll see them then. Let's manifest. Manifestation.
Okay, there's a good reason I look like this. It's because it's pretty chilly here in Iceland. Any guesses how cold?
3, 2, 1.
It's -10.
It's freezing. And I actually don't have gloves. It is my terrible life habit that I never have gloves. Didn't have them for the Christmas markets, which was kind of like, I think the coldest was like -3, but now that we're in -10, it's probably
necessary.
not the best. But I do have a chilblain actually on my finger, which apparently everyone I've told is like, on your finger? So
She's old.
it's so cold out here. Rhys is doing fancy stuff with his camera, and I'm just trying to stay alive. And we've not gone far. That's our house. We're still just here. It's so cold. How's it going?
Not very well. It's pretty difficult photographing.
Have we got the northern lights or not?
No. No.
Will we get them?
I don't know. It looks pretty green, doesn't it?
Over there?
Yeah. Don't you think?
At the minute, I don't know if you can see, that's kind of where the sky is clear, but above us the sky is not very clear. We're inside now. So I think what we're going to do is make dinner and then check back after dinner. Well, keep our eye on it as well, but see if the sky clears a bit, and then we got better chance.
Well, we've got the whole evening, don't we?
Yeah. We just hopefully want to get it tonight because it's snowing tomorrow, and with snow comes clouds. So tonight's meant to be a better chance of seeing them. That was disgusting. This is the meal we made.
I didn't have anything to do with this, so don't you put we in there.
This is the meal I made, and it was egg fried rice, and I was gonna, we've got like a jar of satay sauce, and I was gonna stir fry it in, but I thought, what if it doesn't taste very nice? So I cooked it separately, and thank God, because it was like tomato sauce, but it's meant to be peanut satay, so I don't know why it tastes like tomato sauce, but if you've ever had rice, it doesn't go with tomato sauce. And because the rice needed the sauce, it was desperately plain. And also eggs here don't seem to taste like egg because you couldn't taste the egg at all. And it was just a bit of a disaster and not fulfilling at all. And we didn't buy any puddings or anything. So yeah, that was not the best meal I've ever made. In fact, I'd go as far as to say that's the worst meal I've ever made. That was disgusting. I didn't finish it.
You didn't finish it. Yeah.
And I eat things even if I hate them, so that says a lot.
Yeah. Well, never mind. You tried your best with what you had.
Yeah, can I just say, if I'd have had like soy sauce and things, and like the only ingredients I had was rice, egg, onion, pepper, and that sauce. If the sauce would have been nice, I feel like
it would have been great.
If the sauce was nice and I'd have stir fried it in, because I did taste the sauce before stir frying it in, and I was like, that tastes a bit funny, I won't stir fry that in. But if it had been nice, I'd have stir fried it in and it would have been lovely, but
it wasn't.
It wasn't. Oh well, I cooked, so Rhys will clean up. We had dinner. It looks like, it's gone cloudy, and according to the forecast, it's gonna be cloudy for the rest of the night. So we're gonna settle in and watch. What are we watching?
Frozen 2.
Frozen 2, because we thought it fits with the theme.
Fits the aesthetic very nicely.
But this is the forecast.
Oh, what? No, this isn't. This is the roads.
Oh, this is the conditions of the roads.